it's 10 years of Vicky Donor. So Shujit Sarkar ne bola, apparently asked him एक incident that you can't forget.
I remember it was so embarrassing. It was a prank. They were like, अब तो तेरे को donate करना पड़ेगा सबके सामने. It's a film about that. कैसे हम prove करेंगे कि आपने donate किया है? So I was like really nervous. And पहली film आपको पता भी नहीं होता कि क्या हो रहा है. So we had no idea. And everybody standing there कि चलो, do it.
For all film-related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
So as in Punjabi, they say na Manu ki ho gayi wah bhai wah. So I mean, just amazing, yeah. I mean, the whole entire theater. I watched it in the theater. Applauded in the end.
Really, that's amazing. Wow.
So I want to ask you, before we discuss the film, were you anticipating this response? Because, you know, it is a tricky subject. It can go either this way or that way.
Absolutely. You know, when you have a director like Abhishek Kapoor, you know that it's going to be dealt sensitively. And it was a very tricky line you were treading. And I'm glad that we had Gattu Kapoor, who's a credible name, and can churn out something like this, which is mainstream yet has a message, and it's a good package. And I'm very proud of the film.
You should be, and you definitely should be. And apparently, you didn't hear the narration. You just said yes, is it?
I read the script. I did not hear the narration. I read the script and I said yes to it because it was something which was very important. For this day and age, in 2021, we should discuss this issue. And people in India are completely unaware. उनको पता भी नहीं है कि trans का मतलब क्या होता है. So it's just an induction, a giant big baby step towards representation, towards a lot of things, and it's a progressive 2021 film.
And what a step! And it's the first film that has dealt with this issue, because we have talked about homophobia, homosexuality. You yourself have lent your face to a film like that, but never have we dealt with this subject ever.
Yeah, it's one of its kind. That's Humesha se wohi raha hai ki I want to choose a subject which was never told before in cinema, and this is also a different one. But more than that, it's the empathy towards the community that we all felt that this film deserves to be out there, and people should talk about it. There should be like conversations about it. So it's really helping.
So when you were given Manu's character, and you can see he falls for her, then the whole dilemma, like he questions himself also, because somewhere वो मर्द को होता है ना कि मैं ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, and that confusion came across. So what went into interpreting this character vis-a-vis Ayushmann, the actor, the man, and the character he was playing?
Manu is not Ayushmann at all. I think I'm playing a very different character on screen who represents the common man on the street who has no awareness about trans or who's not progressive at all. He's also dumb and toxic at the same time. He has toxic masculinity in him. But at the same time, he's ready to transform. And that's the beauty of the character, that he believes in that empathy or emotional transformation. And he does it on his own without any external help. खुद ही रिसर्च कर रहा है, खुद ही जान रहा है ट्रांस कम्युनिटी के बारे में, उनके स्ट्रगल्स के बारे में, ऑपरेशन के बारे में. So it's coming out pretty well in the end. And Manu Munjal अगर सीख सकता है तो इंडिया में कोई भी सीख सकता है, because he represents the common man.
Yeah, he is your average Joe, but I mean, hats off, yeah, the transformation when I saw you lifting those weights and wo jo cut shut, I mean, really, Punjab was jo the Gabru Munde.
Yeah, it was very difficult for me because I'm not that guy at all. मैं बहुत परेशान हो गया था, frankly speaking. 6 महीने I had to really work out very, very diligently. I had to gain 8 to 10 kgs of muscle and work out for 3 hours a day with cross-functional training and also weight training. There was also a nutritionist like Luke Catino monitoring each and everything. So it was a full-time job for me. So it was impossible if lockdown nahi hota. So I had nothing to do. I was just working out throughout the first lockdown.
My God, and what a transformation. Yeah, I was seeing those nerves also, you know, jo workout ke time hota hai, was like hats off. And now you've gone back to like wo kehte hain shredding.
this is my natural self. क्योंकि मैं हूँ ऐसे. And I had to lose weight for Dr. G. I had to play a student who's 24. So it was imperative कि मैं muscle lose करना पड़ा मुझे उसके लिए.
वो आपका भी वो हो रहा है ना, वो रिवर्स कहते हैं ना, तो पीटर पैन who's just going to be that evergreen. You fit in any ढांचा है वैसे.
देखो अब क्या होता है आगे. I'm also doing an action film, so preparing for that as well. फिर से transformation is a different kind of transformation. So let's see. Thank you.
वो आप जा रहे हो वो क्रिस्टियन बेल वाले में ना, कभी पतला कभी वो, amazing यार, master of disguises now.
I'm not really gaining that much of muscle like I had in Chandigarh Kare Aashiqui. Of course, it will be slightly more lean because action needs flexibility also. So that's why.
You know, this is Rana coming to you. So when I was going for Chandigarh Kare Aashiqui, I told a friend of mine, she said, "Kiski picture hai?" I said, "Ayushmann." Then though it's going to be different only. So I have now realized audience perception is if it's your film, it has to be different. Sometimes, and also there's a lot of anticipation with what you're going to do next. Does that sometimes make you nervous because वो पहले ही होता है ये तो अच्छी करेगा और different ही करेगा?
I think वो nervousness हमेशा होती है. It's always there, that slight nervousness or anxiety before choosing a script, and also the first review, and when people watch it, how they react. That's always there because you've actually set certain benchmarks in the past, and you have to live up to the expectations, and that'll always be there. But that's a happy expectation. You enjoy it, and you also feel fortunate that people expect something out of you.
True. And coming back to Chandigarh Kare Aashiqui, I know there were a whole lot of people in the industry sending you notes, and the one that really touched me was Ghazal's message, because you know she is a representative of that community and saying this is the most honest depiction I've seen because nobody's been caricatured. Vani's done a fantastic job. It's not preachy. It's just a slice of, it's just playing out the way it could have in their real time. So what for you was the most touching message, and also it's somewhere to those transphobic people, because I'm sure each one of us has been guilty looking at them in a certain way or smirking away. Everyone has done it at some stage or the other when you were not aware.
Yeah, the biggest validation came from the community for sure. When the trailer came out, they were skeptical, but when they watched the film, they loved it. They resonated with the film, and Ghazal, being from the industry, script writer, also the representative of the community, it says a lot about the film, and that's the biggest victory. Also, Shruti Sitara, India's first Miss Trans Global 2021 from Kerala, she loved the film. So I'm following both of them on Instagram. I also follow Trin Trinezra Haldar. I think she's a rock star, and I'm glad to be very, very pretty, and we're getting great feedback from the community, and then you feel home because the film is about them. But at the same time, it's not for them because it's for the audience who have no idea about trans community. So it was a very tricky balance we had to crack for the film, and I'm glad it's resonating with the people.
And also, you know, the way they show your family's reaction, and then you have Bani's character, Manvi's family's reaction, a supportive father and a mother. I know they're ostracized. Sometimes they are treated as outcasts. Going forward, do you think we'll have storylines like these? You know, gone are the days of hetero romances. We are seeing gay love stories also planning out. Do you think aage jaake hoga, will be, it won't happen immediately, but there will be acceptance?
आगे जाके जब होगा तो representation होगी. ये उसका एक step forward है. I think ये film जो है, ये इसने conversation start किया है. But moving forward, we should have proper representation from the community as actors or directors or script writers, everything, because we need to pass on the mic. We need to give this stage, this pedestal to them. Ideally, we should be interviewing an actor from the community who's celebrating 100 crores at the box office. That will be the true victory, and we are eyeing for that. And let's see.
It's only a generous person who would say that, but I know if you were in charge of a studio, you would do that. But do you think we would be open to doing that now? वो थोड़ा सा mindset भी तो बदलना चाहिए ना?
हमारा देश है थोड़ा सा complex and वक्त लगेगा, but it's a big giant leap, Chandigarh Kare Aashiqui, towards that direction, and that will happen.
True, because we've already seen it happening on the runway internationally, and now also here. So hopefully, fingers crossed.
But yeah, we cannot view our society from the Western lens, which is very different. But having said that, we will see the representation happen on OTT for sure in another year to come, maybe next year. So let's see.
A theater ki baat kar rahi hu, and I'm not kidding you. When I went to watch this movie, given the occupancy that we are allowed, it was that occupancy. Last movie that I had seen of yours in the theaters was Bala, which was full occupancy. You've also had a digital release. So as an actor, are you enjoying the best of both worlds, they would say?
Yeah, of course. I think OTT is a revolution, and it's a great vector to have. It gives you more opportunities, and it's been a blessing for all the actors, technicians, and there's great work happening out there. So ideally, theaters and OTT platforms should coexist, and it's very important for the industry to thrive.
I totally get that. एक बात बताओ, जो चंडीगढ़ में अपनी ओपन जिप्सी में बैठे हुए थे, ऐसे कुछ पुरानी यादें आई जब अपनी बोल्ट पे गेड़ी करते थे?
आपको पता है मैं चंडीगढ़ में कभी ऐसे जिप्सी में बैठे ही नहीं हूँ. I am not that guy. I am a very subtle Punjabi. मतलब पंजाबियों के नाम पे मतलब subtlety तो जाती नहीं पंजाबियों के साथ. So I am a very subtle guy. So I have never done that in Chandigarh. मैं दो लोगों को देखा करते हुए, but I was a nerd. I used to do theatre. एक बीबा मुंडा जो होता है ना पंजाब.
So when you played this पूरा वरना ठोकर पंजाबी, तो तेनू नहीं पता मैं कौन हूँ. What was that like? कोई याद आया? Anyone you would observe? बतेरे मिल जाते हैं.
You are surrounded by such people in Punjab. So कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. Of course, I was part of the cricket team also, so I know such people.
And it's interesting that you all decided to have this movie in Chandigarh, played because Abhishek said he was first thinking of the medical community, setting it in a corporate, but then decided to go full throttle into the heartland of Punjab, you know.
एक और practical reason था because COVID. जब shoot कर रहे थे, Chandigarh only had 8 cases. Bombay and Delhi cases were rising, so it was just practical to shoot in Chandigarh, and I was also in Chandigarh, so सबको बुला लिया.
और हो गई चंडीगढ़ करे आशिकी. And also this year, other than celebrating the success of Chandigarh करे आशिकी, it's 10 years of Vicky Donor. So Shujit Sarkar ने बोला, apparently asked him एक incident that you can't forget in his filmography, and he picked up one that's related to you. That one scene where you had to go for that donation करने के लिए, ये मैं कैसे करूँगा? आप shoot करोगे? He says, I cannot not think about it without cracking up, because you apparently were like, अंदर आप shoot करोगे, करना क्या है मुझे? Can you recall that moment?
I remember it was so embarrassing. It was a prank. They were like, अब तो तेरे को donate करना पड़ेगा सबके सामने. It's a film about that. कैसे हम prove करेंगे कि आपने donate किया है? So I was like really nervous. And पहली film आपको पता भी नहीं होता कि क्या हो रहा है. So we had no idea. And everybody standing there कि चलो, do it. Then after that, everybody started cracking up. So they're like they're pulling my leg.
So it's gone down in Vicky Donor ka folklore, but it's amazing, Ayushmann, from Vicky Donor to here. Someone who's always picked up subjects that have been taboo. So now I want to ask you, has your process changed? What is now important for you? Because you have carved that niche for yourself. Is it the director's story, or is it the length of your character? What is it? How does it work for you now?
I think it'll always be the story. Half of my films are with first-time directors. So I go with my gut and instinct, but story has to be bang on. And it has to be new, something new to say. As an artist, you have a certain responsibility towards the society, and you should have a voice as an artist through your art. Like, of course, I'm not an activist, I'm an artist. Whatever I'll say through my work. And I've been doing that for the past 9 years. And if I get great scripts which have a voice, I think I'll continue doing that. But moving forward as an actor, I also want to break the genre once in a while. Like, I'll be doing that with Anek, an action hero, and would love to do a masala entertainer as well.
Yeah, masala entertainer लोग देखेंगे ना, क्यों कर रहा है ये मुंडा? He's the best in that. वो भी हो जाएगा.
मेरा वो सपना है अंदर का.
Oh, you want to do that song and dance?
हाँ, 10 में से एक तो करना चाहिए ना.
Totally. So what can we expect now? There's Dr. G, Anek. What can you reveal a little bit?
Dr. G, I'm playing a male gynecologist, and
Low part.
And I'm a student in the film, medical student, and in Anek, it's a political thriller set in Northeast with Anubhav Sinha. Dr. G is with Anubhuti Kashyap, first-time director, and next action hero is also with the first-time director, Anirudh Ganpati, which Anand L. Rai sir is producing.
Awesome. And also, when you get under the skin of your characters, do you interact with people who are representing the community that you are depicting? How does it work? What was it like in Chandigarh Kare Aashiki? Because it's a really nice scene when you take that lady with you to the cafe who makes you understand that it's
Yeah.
all in your head.
Absolutely. You have to interact with the community and connect with their pains and their sufferings, physical as well as emotional turmoils they've been through. If an actor shows the empathy, only then he can evoke empathy in the audience. So that's the only way to go about it.
Awesome. Which was your favorite moment from the entire film?
Favorite moment, in fact, was my it was with the Manvi outside the hospital, where I tell her that मैं government school से पढ़ा हूँ, मुझे तो trans का मतलब भी नहीं पता था, और normal की होता है, normal का नजरिया होता है, मतलब I think that sums up the entire film, and it also says that if Manu Munjal can transform into a humane person, anybody can.
Lovely. Awesome. And keep doing the work that you are. We are coming into 2022. What do you want to see change? What do you think we can expect to see? Because you are in the industry and you are a representative of the forward storylines and, stuff around.
I expect great cinema in 2022. Mixed bag of content and mainstream cinema, festival films, everything. And I think we have upped our game as Bollywood and as the industry. So it could be I think a great combination of OTT and theatrical releases with some great content on screen.
Awesome. और किसी ने ये सवाल पूछा है कि आप गाते भी हैं, आप लिखते भी हैं, आप एक्टिंग भी करते हैं, ऐसी कोई चीज है जो आप नहीं कर पाते हैं? और अभी तो बॉडी शॉडी भी बना ली थी.
मैं पकाता हूँ, मैं खाना नहीं पकाता. I am not a good cook.
Okay.
मैं क्या बोला?
No, I mean, what is it that you can't do? I didn't say cooking. You do everything. Body शॉडी भी बना ली.
नहीं, हाँ, मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता, मुझे खाना खाने का बहुत शौक. तो खाना खाने से फुर्सत नहीं मिलती तो बनाने का टाइम नहीं मिलता. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है, but I really want to cook good food.
खाना खाने का शौक था तो मैं playing Manu Munjal must have just like you must have binged and all, keto वीटो छोड़ दिया है, क्या हो रहा है?
अभी कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. अभी of course I am on a diet because I have to look little lean and little athletic for action hero, because I have to be flexible. So we diet too.
Looking forward to that. Thank you so much for giving me your time. This has been a pleasure. And हम 2 साल बाद बात कर रहे हैं. So how have the 2 years been? I've interacted more with your wife than with you. कि उन्होंने इतनी किताबें लिख डाली हैं.
2 years, I think it was full of introspection. And
Anything you discovered about yourself?
हाँ, 3 फिल्में खत्म कर ली और रिलीज होने को है. So बहुत कुछ सीखा इस दौरान. Things are changing. New normal has started, and let's see what's there for us in future.
Totally. Anything you discovered about yourself जो पहले नहीं पता था?
पहले नहीं पता था कि मैं इतनी अच्छी बॉडी बना सकता हूँ.
That was.
अब मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया, मैं एक्शन हीरो बन सकता हूँ. एक्शन हीरो में पहले मुझे लगता था कि एक्शन कैसे करूँगा, how will I look on screen, but I think it can happen. So I've surprised myself, I think.
And the person who has apparently got the best and enviable physique, Hrithik Roshan, was going gaga over you all, yeah. So वो तो
इससे बड़ी क्या बात हो सकती है?
Awesome. Thank you so much. All the very best, and keep inspiring and keep giving us these stories.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Happy New Year.
You too.
Bye.
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 If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.